Ever walked into a store, saw the price, and go, why is it so expensive? Is it made out of gold? The prices are climbing more than your chacha's blood pressure at a family's gathering. But those prices aren't just by rising due to inflation or the dollar rate. It's something much more sneakier tariffs. Yes, those boring economic words you ignored in class but are now emptying your wallet like an angry magician. Today I'll explain tariffs which sound harmless but are turning your life into a budgeting nightmare. Picture this, a young couple, Zara and Hamza, enter a tech store. Zara is excitedly pointing at a laptop. This is the one you wanted, right? The specs are perfect. Hamza checks the price tag. His face drops in awe. Hamza, it has gone up by 45,000 rupees. That's half our rent. Teams like that are playing around Pakistan and the world daily. Tariffs are basically taxes imposed on imported goods by government. They are supposed to protect local industries or raise revenue. But more often than not, they just increase prices for consumers like you and me. You see a phone or a car and say, "ये इतना महंगा क्यों है?" Well, tariffs quietly say, "That's because I took a cut. You're welcome." Let's zoom out for a second. In 2018, when Trump slapped tariffs on China, China retaliated. What followed was a full-blown trade war, basically WWE for economists. Prices of goods like electronics, machinery, and even toys skyrocketed in the US. American farmers lost billions because China stopped buying soybeans. Global supply chains were disrupted. What about countries like us, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh? बस साइड पे खड़े होकर देख रहे थे as usual. Even now, with US-China tensions and Russia-Ukraine war, countries are slapping tariffs left and right like unpaid debt. And guess who ends up paying the price? The common man. Now let's come home, shall we? Pakistan nearly imports everything, ranging from cars, machinery, makeup, to even toothbrushes and diapers. और इन सब पे taxes हैं, duties हैं, tariffs हैं, and emotional damage free में मिलता है. Take the cars for example. You see a car priced at $15,000 internationally, but in Pakistan, that same car will cost you 60 to 70 lakhs. Why? Tariffs plus customs plus regulatory duties equals to chacha buy ही ले लो आप. Even food isn't safe. Luxury imported chocolates, sauces, cereals वगैरह, they are even considered luxury items now. Nutella खानी है, पहले बैंक से लोन अप्रूव करवा के आओ. Local manufacturers also suffer. They need to import raw materials like chemicals, auto parts, textile and machinery, but guess what? Tariffs make raw material expensive too, so their final product becomes overpriced and uncompetitive. This means fewer local jobs, fewer export, and more Chinese LED lights with names like Xinjiang Happy Light 9000. Let's talk examples. A $200 Xiaomi phone ends up costing 60,000 rupees in Pakistan because of the PTA taxes, import duties, and other gifts from the system. A Honda Civic in 2024 is 1.1 crore. That's not a car, that's a downtown apartment. A basic MacBook Air in the US is $999. In Pakistan, that's close to 4 lakh rupees once duties and special fees are added. और फिर हम कहते हैं यूथ ऑनलाइन काम क्यों नहीं करती? एक लैपटॉप अफोर्ड करना तो एक ओलंपिक मेडल जीतने के बराबर है. So why do governments do it? They do it to protect the local industry, bring in revenue, and reduce dependency on imports. But in countries like Pakistan, where local production is already limited and prices are unstable, excessive tariffs just make things worse. They don't fix the economy, they choke it. Imagine trying to teach someone to swim by tying weights to their feet. That's what we are doing to our economy. Now let's talk solutions, as Pakistan can't really afford to be sidelined here. Smarter tariff policy. Tax luxury items, not essentials. Rolex पे बेशक 300% tariffs चलाओ, लेकिन टूथपेस्ट और लैपटॉप्स को छोड़ दो. Better trade agreements. Countries like Vietnam and Turkey have made deals that reduce or remove tariffs on many items. Pakistan should negotiate smarter. Support local industries, but with quality. Don't just say buy local. Make local products which are good enough to compete, subsidize factories, improve quality, or innovation को encourage करो. Digital customs reform, automate the import process to reduce corruption, overbilling and tax fraud. Awareness and public pressure. जितनी awareness होगी, उतना pressure create होगा. Government won't change unless people ask the right question. So next time you wonder why your shampoo costs more than your dinner, or why it costs an arm and a leg to buy a new phone, remember, tariffs. It's not just taxes, it's economic thuggery, politely wrapped in paperwork.